Seed work. Seed work. Seed work. That's right. Melon.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So we are at Waterfall Saloon. They self-proclaimed best burgers. Let's really see if they are really the best burgers, eh? The bar, and they even let you place pool here for free. Wow! And there are many portraits on the stuff. So pretty nice place, pretty chill place. Yep, the burgers seems to be around. I ordered the 225 baht burger for Crocodile Burger, and apparently the waiter told me it's real. So, yep, why not try it, eh? Wow, look at the burger. 225 baht Crocodile Burger. Alright guys, so we are going to MheeKeao Waterfall today, and the parking seems a bit tight here, but it's okay. Just need to go all the way in. Alright, so we walked in a bit more, and it says it's open from 8:30 to 4:30 p.m. So if you wanna come, make sure you come earlier. Yes, no more than 50 tourists, they say. Oh, and you can already hear the waterfall. Oh. A stream of water. Wow! Must be the rainy season. Well, looks pretty nice. Pretty chill place to be. Right. So there are many spots here where you can just chill in the water, be in a pool, and when you go up some more, there's even a trail here. So apparently the nature trail is this way, but going another direction first, I guess. Going deeper. Alright, so this is one of the higher points you can go to the waterfall. It's down there and it goes all the way down. Quite nice. Not bad for a free entrance. Alright, so we're in a nature trail. Apparently it leads deeper into the forest. Let's see how long it takes, eh? So I've climbed up to somewhat seem like the edge of a cliff. As you can see the waterfall below, and all I see is white around me. Not in a way that I'm blind, but look at the view of the city. Pretty nice. So when you follow the trail, you'll be brought to a sign which says towards Pha Ngoep Cliff. So this is the cliff, I guess. I'll go up and see some more. I need a nice view. So I was trying to find a pond. What something pond. This is the pond, I guess. What is this? This no pond? So actually this is Wang Wabon. Sorry, Wang Waban. Pha Ngoep Cliff. And apparently you can ride your bike here and just park here on the side of the road. Why the world, man? I'm here for the cliff. Bring me there. Right. They say this is a cliff. Where is the cliff? There's only some random cave and
It's an overhang.
And some waterfall. Got a cliff. Come on. Yeah. That's all there is here. If you come here, the trail's not bad. Can be quite off the path at times, but I think overall it's worth it. It's free anyway. Why not come here, right? Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna have lunch at Auf der Au. Okay, Auf der Au Garden. It's a German buffet. Let's see what they have, right? Ooh. Oh, so many cakes, all the fruits, salad bar. Oh, the meat. Oh, looks so luscious. Oh, I'm gonna wait. Hey, they even have ice cream. Wow. Salad bar. And I guess we're going in to sit down. Overall, the German buffet was nice, but I think the best that I had was the hamburger, hot dog, oven baked chicken,
apple crumble pie. Food selection was substantial.
I think overall 210 baht it was worth it, but I mean it's not really fantastic, I would say. But one of the few things that stood out to me was the apple crumble pie, the oven baked chicken, but only try one because it's a bit tough and dry, and probably the hamburg and hot dog and a sausage. Hey guys, welcome back. Good morning. Now it feels like 27 degrees Celsius and it's just one something. Anyway, we are at 3 Baht Noodle, so we're gonna go explore what noodles they have, what size of it, and let's enjoy ourselves eating, okay? So this is the place. So there are legit 3 Baht noodles, there's pork, there's beef. Ooh, 3 Baht noodles, very small size. 60 Baht satay, pork satay, boat noodles, so money. 3 Baht each. Boat noodles was very good, I think it's worth the price. All I ate was 12 bowls of noodles and it was like what, 36 Baht? 18 times 2, yeah, 36. Anyway, now we're at GlassHopper coffee shop. Looks pretty nice on the inside. Got me some caramel macchiato for 60 baht. Wow. Aesthetics, nice. Hey guys, we are at Inbox to have for dinner. Look at this hype place. Good. Ooh, so many good things here, and it's quite lively, good music. Oh, looks like we're gonna eat beef. And we are going in. Look at the rustic designs, boys and ladies. Oh, cute man. Wow, amazed.
This place is amazing. The banoffee cake, Mujom, fried chicken wing, pork innards, and the fried rice. Whew! They were all so tasty and wonderful. John approves.
$2.99 for premium buffet. Hit me up, boy. $1.99 also okay. Ryota. What, Lang Thai, I think. Chinese. Oh, they even have a tree. That's so cool. Can't wait to eat already.
Good variety of meat. Everything was clean. It was good. Worth the price.
Hey guys, so for lunch or rather breakfast today, today's weather pretty good. Feels a bit like maybe 24 degrees Celsius, and we're at Ikhwan Restaurant. Hopefully it's curry like Singapore. And yes, Prada, burgers, and even biryani, and like their mee goreng is like pasta, so you can try something like that. And they got the Malay fried rice, so that's good nasi goreng. Yep, so we're gonna try and let you know how.
This place is quite true to their Malaysian roots. So the shrimp paste fried rice, the murtabak, the roti prada, and the egg was okay. Nothing fantastic though.
Hey guys, so we are at MheeKeao. Chen Popo, Xianggang, Hong Kong noodle. Apparently here they sell boot porridge and wonton noodles for around 60 baht. Let's check it out. 60 baht for porridge. Wonton noodle. Wonton. Pork porridge. Didn't have many meaty pieces, but I think it's like slices of pork. The porridge consistency was good, very good indeed if I say so myself. Not too clumpy, not too wet, just nice. And the ginger inside the porridge adds a nice gingerish tone to it, so it's very good. Yeah. And the dumplings I ate, they were quite salty, but I think nice. But I think if you just get the porridge or the wonton noodle, it will be good enough. Yep, we do.
Comment down below, what would you do if you go to a buffet? Would you grab the meat, vegetables, or what? Hey, seems like you have made it to the very end. You are the real MVP and I appreciate you. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let's try to get this channel to 100 subs. And if you can, please do share with your friends and your family.